So we have arrived at the dog park. Unloading the three beasts from the Honda and getting them into the dog park was an adventure, which of course couldn't be filmed because my hands were full. This is Little's first trip to the dog park, as we were quarantined for 2.5 months. We got her on April the 16th, and she was immediately diagnosed with a fungus, and she was communicable, so she couldn't go to the dog park. Somewhere in this vast dog park we have Floof and Mini Dog. There's a black dog that looks a lot like Mini Dog, but that is not Mini Dog. Oh, I see her. Mini Dog is playing with a very small child over here. Don't hurt the small child, Mini Dog. Mini Dog is kind of like an old lady. She's crotchety and pissy. Need some water? Get some water while we're here. All right, let's go see what the big dogs are doing. There's Minnie. What do you think, old girl? And there's Floof. Floof really digs the dog park. Pretty Irish setter. How you doing, my friend? Is that yours?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Is it a setter? Is it an Irish setter?
No idea.
I used to live in the Northeast. There were Irish setters everywhere. Now you never see them. I hear they had some kind of genetic hip thing, so nobody wants them.
Yeah.
He's beautiful. So the little gray one, the big puffy one, and that black one over there, those are mine. This is her first time out of the house. Thanks. Minnie's making friends with a dog. On the other side of the fence is the Lidda dog area. I started to put the puppy in there, but she's okay with the big dogs. There was Floof. There's Lidda and all the other folks from the dog park. What do you think, Little? Pretty cool, huh? Come on, let's get some water. Come on. We should have waited 2 hours. Might have been 85 instead of 95.